Bad weather today. Wanted to take a video outside and, just have a little walk as well, but looks like we'll be doing our video indoors. So, one of the greatest compliments to a good meal would have to be a refreshing beverage. Today we're going to make some homemade iced tea.
It's more natural. You can control the taste and it's really easy. You will want to just make this instead of buying from stores. Here's how. Boil some water. Place it in a heat-resistant container. Get some tea bags and put them in. Wait for about 4 to 5 minutes depending on how you want it to taste. Let it cool down. I transferred the hot tea to a couple of mugs to help it cool down faster.
On its own, it's got a refreshing taste, but we'll make it into an even fruitier drink.
I'm scooping out some mango pieces and placing it into a bowl while also adding some freshly squeezed calamansi juice. Let's put it into the pitcher now. Add some calamansi syrup to make it citrusy and taste just like the ones they serve in hotels. Add the cold tea and fill the pitcher with ice.
Now that's delicious. You can experiment with the taste all you want and have it for your next meal or get-together. It starts with the tart sweetness of the mango and then hits you with the tangy kick of the calamansi. I recommend you do this, it's really good. For more tips, tricks, hacks, and recommendations, why don't you check out these videos? Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Now would be a good time to do so. I'll see you guys again soon!